How to install AJ hook liner. AJ hook liner is installed on above-ground pools. Any type of liner will improve the appearance of your pool, protect the pool, prevent leaks, make swimming more comfortable and increase the life of the pool in the process. Installing J-hook liner or any other type of pool liner can be an intimidating task. While it may take a while and has a lot of steps involved, it is a job a skilled homeowner can tackle in a day. Things you'll need: hose, utility knife, sand, pool liner, shop vac, duct tape. Insert a hose in the pool and completely drain the pool of all water. Run the water somewhere safe so it is not flooding an important part of the yard or running over something that cannot withstand that much water. Cut holes with a utility knife in the bottom of the pool line to allow the rest of the water to drain to the ground. Remove the old pool liner by cutting it along the top with the utility knife. Cut it in sections to remove it easier and toss it aside. Inspect the wall of the pool along the outside to look for any rust spots. Check to see that there are no weeds or roots along the outside and remove them if necessary. Level out the base of the pool on the outside by filling any holes with bags of sand. Open up the new pool liner and lay it out on a grassy area. Set the new liner into the pool and allow it to overhang around the sides. Attach it on the sides using the old coping strips already in place. Center it up so it is even all the way around. Climb into the pool and begin to smooth out the liner to get rid of the wrinkles. Slide a shop vac hose in between the liner and the pool. Duct tape the opening closed and turn the vac on to begin sucking the air out and pulling the liner toward the pool walls. Put a hose in the pool and turn it on to begin filling it up with water. Remove the shop vac once about 12 inches of water are in the pool and continue filling until the pool is full of water. Tips: warnings. AJ hook liner is a type of vinyl pool liner that is installed in the same manner as many other types of vinyl pool liners. Make sure there are no rough spots in the pool or along the edges before laying the new liner down on top.